everybody, this is Deb from D&D Art Gallery. How are you doing today? Today I have a 12 by 24 gallery wrapped canvas prepared on the back with tape and push pins like I normally do. And I'm going to do just a flip and drag today, but I'm going to use 4 cups across this canvas. So I'll put less paint in each cup. I have put a very thin layer of white along all my edges, corners, to help the paint flow. And today my paint consists of Artist Flow Acrylic White, Artist Loft Orange, Artist Loft Red ochre probably, Amsterdam carmine. My next one is a combination of Amsterdam sky blue light and Amsterdam greenish blue. And I've also added a little dollop of black to this paint. And consistency today, there's a little mound and then it does disappear. Hopefully you can see it with that paint. My last paint is the Amsterdam turquoise green. And I am finding I'm really liking the Amsterdam paints. Maybe I can show you the consistency better with this lighter color. Just a little mound and then it disappears. Okay, let's get started. My 4 cups. But first I am going to put some silicone in my colors. And I'm going to be using the Mont Marte Silicone today. And I found this to be extremely reactive, so I'm going to try and only put one drop in each color, except for the white. And then I will mix that up really well. Dropsy here. Mix it up in each of the colors. Give it a good mix too. Some of the artists say if you don't mix it in really good, that's where you get your caterpillars. And I don't want those. Okay. So I do have quite a bit of white paint mixed up here too, so I think I'm going to be adding hopefully quite a bit of the white in between layers. I'm just going to mix these up. Different colors in different cups. Put a layer of white in each now. And the dark blue. Let's see, let's put the brown in this one next. And this one. Orange. Put some red. I think flip and drags are fun to do. Just really never know how it's going to turn out. Let's see, let's do some dark blue. Some brown. After a while you forget what color did you put in what cup, but it really doesn't matter because they're all going to get mixed up. Some turquoise, and I love the color turquoise. Some more white. Good amount of white. Then we'll just finish our paints off. And I think that's about it. Yep, all the paint is used up. Boy, these already want to start moving. Moving on their own here today. You can already see all these cells. You can see my first cup, I got a lot of darker colors than any of the other cups. Some very big cells going on here. So let's start tipping. I'll just kind of do a back and forth motion at first. See how much I can get covered. You can see what I mean about this, the Mont Marte Silicone. And I didn't discuss it, but I will tell you that today my pouring medium was 50% Floetrol, 50% paint, and a squirt of GAC in each cup. Still have a lot of paint on my canvas here. I gotta get this corner a little better down here. Covered up. Okay, and I'm gonna bring it back. Get my lines a little straighter. This is just crazy, crazy cells here. I do love the colors. I always like to combine the turquoise in the rusty color. Okay, I'm going to torch, so I'm going to try and torch carefully. I don't want to get too close. Just in the kind of plain areas I can get a little bit closer to bring a little more out. But as you can see, those cells just go crazy. Okay, clean off the bottom. Just going to take a look at it a minute here and see if I think I need to do anything else to it. I think the area I like the most is right in here with these red and orange cells. They're just really pretty. They really stand out. It's a very busy painting. Okay, I'm going to get you down for a close-up. This has to be the most cells I've ever gotten in a painting, and also the biggest cells. Okay, this is the upper left-hand corner. Just craziness going on here. Cells within cells within cells. Pretty up in there. That looks like kind of an upside down face right there. And this is the area that I was telling you that I really like, right in here. I really like those orange and red cells there. So pretty. And here is the upper right hand corner here. Those are some unique cells there too. And the lower right hand corner. Well, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share, subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. And until the next time, take care everybody. Bye.